Welcome back to our channel. Okay, 37 is about isomerism. Okay, E said isomerism. So you need to remember. Sorry. Okay, for the C1. Okay, what is the C isomerism? So remember for the CC double bond above the higher priority thing is connected to the same sides. Okay, and this higher and lower is relative to the other one. So it is C isomerism, and then for the E isomerism is the opposite, right? Alternates. Okay, so H on one side, the other same side is arrow, opposite side for the higher priority. Of course, you ask, so then what? How do you think about higher priority or lower priority? I have think about some simple rules. Okay, the rules is just one rules. Okay, it is the carbon connecting to the carbon, the atomic number. The atomic number of the elements connecting to the carbon, the larger, higher priority. Okay, very simple rules. Okay, don't memorize. I know in the textbook a lots of rules. Okay, so make it simple. Okay, the atom connecting to it. Okay, the atomic number larger is higher priority. First, talk about the element directly connecting to it. If they are the same, look at the next one and the next one, and the next one. Okay, so on. Okay, so for the first one, okay, very easy. Okay, these two are lower priority relative to the opposite side, right? So the two higher priority thing are at the bottom. Okay, so it is a set one. Okay, for this one, all hydrogen carbon. Okay, first look at here. Okay, this one connect to one carbon only, right? And then this hydrogen. But this one, carbon, then carbon. Carbon. The carbon has a higher atomic number than the hydrogen down there, right? So it is higher priority. It's lower. For this one, three carbon. Haha, but we have four carbon here. So three carbon and the hydrogen, then three carbon, then still carbon. So it's higher priority. So this one is the Z. So the answer is B. Okay. Of course, the textbook thing has a lot of insight for us, but to me, okay, priority thing. Remember, the nearby, the labeling atoms, elements, atomic number, larger is higher priority. The same then look second one, third one, and so on, okay? And you can get it, okay? Because we are amazing, okay? See you for the next question.